Hello, this is Mind. Welcome to my channel. In this video, we'll be going over how to add more achievement slots to your character on D&D Beyond. So let's go to that. So here's my test character, just to show. Normally in your inventory, you've only got 3 achievements. So if you were to choose 3 items, and even if you were adding these, you can't attune, you'd have to unattune first. You can add achievement slots in one of 2 ways. You can do it through a subclass feature or through a feat that you can add to your character. The process is more or less the same. Just obviously, if you were doing a subclass, you would edit the subclass or make a copy and then edit that. Or if you were doing it as a feat, you'd just create this feat, which is what I will be doing because it's easier. So open that new tab, create a feat, create from scratch. Okay. And achievement slots. Obviously, you'd use your own descriptions. And 3 achievement slots to character. And we'll just copy that into the snippet. And create. So this will be the modifiers. There is a modifier specifically for this, is to introduce the artificer. So we just go to modifier set. You would set it to how many you want. So it'll be achievement slots, and then it'll just be, in this case, 6. I haven't tested if you could use bonus, but set is probably the best way to go about it anyway. Then you just save. The reason why I chose 6 is because there's a forum post where people are asking for 6. So, and the artificer gets 6, so maybe it's just where you want to replicate that. So with that done, we will click the orange save button, which is an important step. Now if we go to our character, refresh for good measure, Chiamo. Features and traits, feats, manage feats. So in my absolutely huge list, it's under A. There it is, add achievement slots. And now when we go to our inventory and go to our achievement, we have extras. So now we can choose all 6. And that's just how you do it. That's it. Nice, sweet and simple. Hope it helped. Thank you very much.